This is the contamination check process. Open the closet and put on the protective suit. Wear a dust mask and dust-proof boots. Press the button on the Put your hands in the dryer to dry them. Enter the air washroom and disinfect your body. Put on your gloves. Please separate the dust-proof suit, dust-proof hat, and dust-proof boots and place them in the basket. Place the protective suit inside the basket into the dedicated washing machine. Confirm whether it is a regular wash or a sterilizing wash, then press the button to change the wash cycle before pressing the start button. Please wait until the wash cycle is complete. And place the finished protective suit into the basket. Place the opening of the plastic bag into the vacuum sealer and press the seal button. Place the packaged dust-proof suit on the shelf. Place all the cleaned protective suits in